Go to NeuroCenter.app and press the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Enter a unique username, password and email address and wait for a confirmation email with an activation code. If you don't receive the email, check your spam or unwanted items folder. Once the registration process is complete, you can log in with the provided user credentials from now on. To view an EEG, simply press the Review button from the home screen. Here we choose to download a demo file for now, to get some basic understanding of the EEG viewer. From here local files, or files stored in your connected cloud store can be accessed as well and opened for viewing. Once the file opens, the EEG is shown and we can navigate through the EEG by means of the arrow keys, or dragging the slider below the EEG. Let's open the Display Settings overlay, where we can toggle a grid, modify the interval, adjust the time base and change montages. Montages can also be changed by pressing the numerals on your keyboard. In this case we toggle between montage 2 and 5. Let's apply a band pass filter, by opening the Filter Settings overlay and activate the desired filter. Adjust the ranges to your liking and the filter will be applied within a few moments. Use the mouse wheel or scroll on the trackpad to adjust the gain of the signals. The horizontal bar just above the slider displays the position of the marked events in the EEG. We can easily view them by opening the Annotations overlay and clicking on the list icon. When clicked on the events, the viewer navigates to the corresponding section in the EEG. The overlay can be made permanent by clicking on the pin icon. When the magnifier tool is selected, the mouse wheel or trackpad scrolls will zoom in and out of the signal. Just hover over the section you wish to magnify and scroll. With the built-in ruler tool, amplitudes and fine time base can be determined. Drag the mouse to adjust the viewing window. Analyzing the EEG is very simple, just open the Analysis overlay by pressing the calculator icon. Depending on your license type, different analyses are shown here. There is a BSI analysis for symmetry measurements, multiple spectrum-based analyses and interictal discharge detection for epilepsy assessment. The latter group provides 3 models to choose from: AMB for ambulatory recordings, ORG for routine recordings and an overall combination model. Just click on the analyses, and it will be started in the background. Here the results are shown and in this case a list of events is presented, which can be clicked upon to navigate to the specific section in the EEG. Other analyses might show graphs, numbers or trends. When clicked on the patient's name, the currently available windows are shown in a list. Here, windows can be toggled visible, or closed altogether. Closing the EEG itself brings you back to the main screen. We hope this tutorial will get you started really quick with NeuroCenter EEG. If you run into issues, feel free to contact us or leave a comment below.